HDFC Bank, ICICI and 8 other stocks in which Parikh Flexi Cap Fund holds up to 8.06% stake. Parikh Flexi Cap Fund PPFCF is an open-ended equity scheme that stands out for its flexibility and smart diversification. It invests a minimum of 65% in Indian equities while allowing up to 35% in global stocks and domestic debt or money market instruments. This dynamic strategy helps balance risk and reward, making it a popular choice for long-term investors. The fund invests across large-cap, mid-cap, and small-cap stocks, offering exposure to a wide range of opportunities. As of June 30, 2025, it manages a massive Rs 1,10,392.32 crores 1 Lakh 10,300 and Ninty 2 crores in assets under management AUM. With a minimum SIP of 1,000 rupees monthly or 3,000 rupees quarterly, it's also highly accessible. Here are the top 10 largest holdings of Parikh Flexi Cap Fund as of June 30, 2025. 1. HDFC Bank Limited has invested 8,897.62 rupees crore, almost 8,900 crores, which is 8.06% of AUM. 2. Bajaj Holdings and Investment Limited has invested 7,650 rupees crore, which is 6.93% of AUM. 3. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has invested 6,722 rupees crore, which is 6.09% of AUM. 4. Coal India Limited has invested 6,347 rupees crore, which is 5.75% of AUM. 5. ICICI Bank Limited has invested 5,276 rupees crore, which is 4.78% of AUM. 6. ITC Limited has invested 4,890 rupees crore, which is 4.43% of AUM. 7. Kotak Mahindra Bank Ltd has invested 4,426 rupees crore, which is 4.01% of AUM. 8. Bharti Airtel Limited has invested 4,205 rupees crore, which is 3.81% of AUM. 9. Mahindra & Mahindra Ltd has invested 3,929 rupees crore, which is 3.56% of AUM. 10. Maruti Suzuki India Ltd has invested 3,742 rupees crore, which is 3.39% of AUM. Bonus share and stock split. 3 stocks in focus as it's set to turn ex-date next week. A bonus share is a free share given to existing shareholders by a company based on the number of shares they already own. It's a way for companies to reward shareholders without paying cash, usually issued from the company's profits or reserves. Similarly, a stock split increases the number of a company's shares by dividing existing shares and reducing their face value proportionately. While it doesn't change the total investment value, it makes shares more affordable, enhances liquidity, and attracts more retail investors. Bonus coming weeks. 1. VRL Logistics Limited, 1:1 ratio, record date is August 14. Stock split coming week. 1. Spraking Ltd, 1:2 ratio, 2 rupees share will be divided into Rs 1 share on August 12. 2. India Glycols Ltd, 1:2 ratio, 10 rupees share will be divided into 5 rupees each on August 12. ICICI Bank, Pidilite Industries, and 8 other stocks that will trade ex-dividend next week. A dividend represents a share of a company's profits distributed to its shareholders. When a company has retained earnings, management can decide to reinvest the funds to support business growth, repay debts, reserve them for future requirements, or distribute dividends. So investing in these stocks can provide you with passive income and growth in your portfolio over time. Here are stocks that will trade ex-dividend in the coming week. 1 Gland Pharma Ltd, 18 rupees per share. August 14th. 2 Akzo Nobel Ltd, 156 rupees special dividend per share. August 11th. 3 Grasim Industries Ltd, 10 rupees per share, 500% on face value of 2 rupees each. August 12th. 4 ICICI Bank Ltd, 11 rupees per share, 550% on face value of 2 rupees each. August 12th. 5 Godrej Consumer Products Ltd, 5 rupees per share, 500% on face value of Rs.1 each. August 13th. 6 MPS Ltd, 50 rupees per share, 500% on face value of 10 rupees each. August 13th. 7 Pidilite Industries Ltd, 10 rupees per share, 1000% on face value of Rs.1 each. August 13th. 8 Excel Industries Ltd, 13.75 rupees per share, 275% on face value of 5 rupees each. August 14th. 9 Maharashtra Seamless Ltd, 10 rupees per share, 200% on face value of 5 rupees each. August 14th. 10 Reliance Industries Ltd, 5.5 rupees per share, 55% on face value of 5 rupees each. August 14th. 3 Mukul Agrawal stocks that delivered up to 210% multi-bagger returns in last 1 year to add to your watch list. Mukul Agrawal is a renowned Indian investor known for his sharp stock-picking skills and value-driven investment approach. With a diversified portfolio across sectors like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing, he has earned a strong reputation in the Indian stock market. His strategic investments and timely entries have consistently delivered impressive returns, making him a respected name among market participants. As per the latest corporate shareholdings filed, Mukul Agrawal publicly holds 64 stocks with a net worth of over 7,387.0 rupees Cr1. Sarda Energy and Minerals, 40 Lakh shares with 1.14% stake. 2 Hind Rectifiers Ltd, 2.5 Lakh shares with 1.46% stake. 3 BSE Limited, 48 Lakh shares with 1.1% stake. 2 stocks in which DIs increased their stake by up to 3.02% in June 2025 to keep an eye on. Domestic institutional investors' DIs play a key role in the Indian stock market, and their buying or selling activity often reflects growing or declining confidence in a company's future performance. When DIs increase their stake in a stock, it usually signals strong fundamentals, positive growth outlook, or improved business performance. In this article, we take a look at 2 stocks where DIs have recently raised their shareholding, highlighting rising institutional interest and the reasons behind this trend. 1 Eternal Ltd. In Eternal Ltd., the institutions increased their holding from 23.47% in March 2025 to 26.49% in June 2025. This shows an increase of 3.02%, reflecting stronger interest from global investors in the first quarter of FY26. 2. NBCC India Limited. In NBCC Ltd., the institutions increased their holding from 8.93% in March 2025 to 11.23% in June 2025. This shows an increase of 2.3%, reflecting stronger interest from global investors in the first quarter of FY26. Semiconductor stocks in focus as sector projected to grow to 9.6 Indian rupees lakh crore by 2030. According to industry projections, the Indian semiconductor market was valued at 38 billion in 2023 and is estimated to grow to around 45 to 50 billion during 2024 to 2025. By 2030, it is anticipated to expand significantly, reaching between 100 and 110 billion. While global demand for semiconductors continues to surge, the supply chain remains vulnerable due to its heavy reliance on a few geographic regions. This has highlighted the urgent need for a more geographically diversified manufacturing base. Strategic initiatives such as recognizing electronics system design and manufacturing (ESDM) as a core sector under the Make in India scheme, along with the launch of the India Semiconductor Mission and the Semicon India program, have played a crucial role in building a supportive ecosystem for the semiconductor industry. With the global semiconductor market projected to hit 1 trillion by 2030, India is expected to contribute significantly to this growth. India has the potential to contribute to the three key segments of the semiconductor manufacturing supply chain: equipment, materials, and services. The country's network of MSMEs can support the production of components used in semiconductor equipment. India also has access to various chemicals, minerals, and industrial gases that are relevant to the supply chain. In the services segment, India offers capabilities in R&D services, logistics, and skilled professionals in areas such as AI, big data, cloud computing, and IoT. In May 2025, the Union Minister for Electronics and IT, Railways, and Information and Broadcasting, Shri Ashwini Vaishnaw, inaugurated two semiconductor design facilities located in Noida and Bengaluru. These centers are focused on designing 3nm chips, which adds to the progress India has made in chip design. The minister noted that India had previously achieved design capabilities at the 7nm and 5nm levels, and the move to 3nm represents a continuation of that progress in semiconductor technology. Here are a few semiconductor stocks in focus as sector to grow over 2x to 9.6 rupees lakh crore by 2030. 1. Hind Rectifiers Limited. Hind Rectifiers Limited is principally engaged in the business of developing, designing, manufacturing and marketing a wide range of power electronics equipment, including power converters, control electronics, transformers, rectifiers, inverters, motors, and HVAC systems. 2. RIR Power Electronics Limited. RIR Power Electronics Limited is engaged in the manufacturing of semiconductor devices like diodes, thyristors, power modules, bridge rectifiers, and high-power equipment like high-current rectifiers, battery chargers, rectifier panels, high-power stacks and assembly. Its products are used for industrial applications in diverse sectors such as railways, induction furnaces, electricity and power generation, engineering, water treatment, metals, defense, automobiles, oil and gas plants, welding equipment, aviation, and more. 3. Keynes Technology India Limited. The company provides conceptual design, process engineering, integrated manufacturing, and life cycle support for major players in the automotive, industrial, aerospace and defense, nuclear, medical, railways, Internet of Things IoT, information technology IT and other segments. As of Q4 FY25, the total capex planned for the semiconductor business is 3,400 rupees crore, while around 1,400 rupees crore is allocated for the printed circuit board PCB segment. 4. CG Power and Industrial Solutions Limited. During the year, CG signed a JV agreement with Renesas Electronics Corporation, a premier supplier of advanced